Hello guys, welcome back to another ultimate speed test between the latest OnePlus Nord 3 with that of Nothing Phone 2. In this video, we'll test app opening speed, which will include small application and even heavy games. We'll also see which device boots up faster, unlocking speed, video editing, benchmarks, etc. So here are the quick specifications of Nothing Phone 2 and OnePlus Nord 3. Nothing Phone 2 comes with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. We have on the table which is 8GB RAM with UFS 3.1 storage. OnePlus Nord 3 comes with Dimensity 9000 chipset, that is also 8GB RAM with UFS 3.1 storage. Both of the devices are running latest build of their particular OS. Nothing Phone runs on Nothing OS 2.0.1 and OnePlus Nord 3 is running on Oxygen OS 13.1. The MRP of Nothing Phone 2 is 45,000, wherein OnePlus Nord 3 cost only 34,000. Both the pricing is excluding bank discounts. You guys will decide after this video whether the pricing of Nothing Phone 2 justifies when it comes to performance. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here you can see towards the left hand side we have Nothing Phone 2 and towards the right hand side we have Nord 3. Both of them are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Location services have been turned on, and if you guys know, Nothing does not have any dedicated high performance mode, but on Oxygen OS 13.1 OnePlus have underclocked the performance for OnePlus smartphones, and additionally they did add a high performance mode, so whenever you require good performance you can enable that. So in the entire video we'll be using high performance mode so that OnePlus Nord 3 uses its full potential. Wherein devices like Nothing Phone 2, they don't have a dedicated high performance mode, so the device will automatically give its best performance depending on the hardware and software optimization. We have also removed all the games from the Game Space application on OnePlus and also from the game dashboard from Nothing Phone 2. Because if we use game mode on OnePlus smartphones, it restricts the background application, and that won't be fair when it comes to the RAM management. We have also turned off the RAM expansion feature which is present on Oxygen OS 13.1. So first let's start with the boot test. We'll power off both the devices at the same time, and here in the boot test OnePlus Nord 3 takes the lead and boots 3 to 4 seconds faster than Nothing Phone 2. Unlocking speed with face unlock is better on Nothing Phone 2 compared to OnePlus Nord 3. But when it comes to unlocking the device using fingerprint, both of them unlocks equally fast. Camera opens up sometimes faster on Nord 3 and sometimes on Nothing Phone 2. And when we switch between front and back camera, here I did see Nothing was quite fast in switching the cameras. Okay, so now let's start with the app opening speed. You can see we have some basic applications followed by browsing, social media apps, purchase applications. We also have a file which is almost of 6GB. We'll extract that file and see. Later there's also a video editor application in which we'll edit a 2-minute video with the resolution of 4K at 60 FPS. And at last we'll also show you the benchmarks and CPU throttling test. So now let's start with the app opening test, and you can see there is no application which is running in the background. We'll start with the basic one which is clock, and that was slightly faster on Nothing Phone 2. We'll start the stopwatch and leave it running in the background. Then we have calculator. That was, I think, again slightly faster on Phone 2. We'll leave this application also running in the background. Moving on to the Chrome. That opened up faster on Nothing Phone 2. We'll try to load our website, and that loaded up faster on Nord 3. Then we have Facebook application. That was slightly faster on Nothing Phone 2. Instagram opened up at the same time on both these phones. We'll leave it running in the background. Twitter faster on Nothing Phone 2. Play Store was slightly faster on Nord 3. YouTube slightly faster on Nord 3 again. We'll leave it running in the background. Then we have Amazon was faster on Nothing Phone 2. We'll open up the same page and leave it running in the background. Then we have Flipkart almost at the same time. We'll leave this page running in the background now. Now we have file manager, and as I told you guys, here we have a file of 6GB. So let's open up file manager. Slightly faster on Nothing Phone 2. If we go to internal storage, here I'm not using OnePlus stock file manager because then it will be a different file manager on Nothing Phone 2 because it comes with the Google stock file manager. So we'll use the same file manager. Here you can see we have an zip file which is of 6.13GB. Let's tap on it and tap on extract. And extraction of the same zip file is 2-3 seconds faster on Nord 3. So we'll leave it running in the background. We'll open the same folder which we extracted, I mean to say the file. And then we have an Excel, so let's open it, which was faster on Nothing Phone 2. Here I have a file which consists of 5000 columns, and we'll see which device opens that file faster. So under Telegram, so this is the file. Let's tap on it at the same time. And that opened up faster on Nord 3 compared to Nothing Phone 2. Nothing Phone 2 additionally took 4 to 5 seconds more to complete the same task. And now we have Filmora. So here we'll render a video applying the same thing. We'll see which device imports and exports the video faster. So let's tap on Filmora. Opened up faster on Nothing Phone 2, tapping on New Project. So here we have that file, tapping on Next. And here Nord 3 completes the task faster compared to Nothing Phone 2. Nothing Phone 2 again took 6 to 7 seconds extra to import the same file. Now let's tap on Filters. We'll apply the same filter, which is F1, tapping Apply to All, and now let's export the file. So the file will be exported in 720p, but still we'll get a fair idea about the exporting speed of these devices. So let's tap on Export. And here again OnePlus Nord 3 wins in exporting the same file. Nothing Phone 2 taking additionally 10 seconds to complete the same task. We'll leave it running in the background, and now let's move on to the games. So here you can see we have two normal games, which is Subway Surfer and Temple Run. After that, two heavy games, which is Battlegrounds Mobile India and Genshin Impact. So let's open up Subway Surfer first. And that opened up at the same time on both these phones. Temple Run, that's faster on Nothing Phone 2. So we'll start the game and leave it running in the background. Now moving on to the Battlegrounds Mobile India. And that's again faster on Nothing Phone 2, Nord 3 taking additionally 3 to 4 seconds to open the same game. Then we have Genshin Impact. So the startup screen was faster on Nothing Phone 2, tapping on Start the Game. Tap to Start appeared at the same time. Now let's open the game by tapping at the same time. And here hardly a 1 second difference, though Nothing Phone 2 opened up Genshin Impact faster compared to Nord 3. Nothing Phone 2 have scored 10,39,027, wherein Nord 3 have scored 10,34,219. Hardly a difference of 5,000. And as you all know, both the devices have UFS 3.1. So let's also do a storage test. And you can see the scores which are better on Nothing Phone 2. Nothing Phone 2 scores 66,494 and OnePlus Nord 3 scores 54,406. And you can also see the difference between sequential read and write speed, wherein Nothing Phone 2 takes the lead. If we compare the benchmark results, those are also better on Nothing Phone 2 compared to OnePlus Nord 3. Not a huge difference, but yes, at least slightly better on Nothing Phone 2. So talking about the throttling test, here we performed the same test of 100 thread up to 30 minutes. Nothing Phone 2 throttled a lot, wherein we did not see any kind of throttling issues on OnePlus Nord 3. Now let's talk about the RAM management on both these phones. So you can see we have almost every application available in the background. We'll see which device can handle more applications in the background. So first let's start with the clock application itself. And that is still running on Nothing Phone 2 if you go to stopwatch, but here it reloads on OnePlus Nord 3 because we left the device with stopwatch screen. When we opened it, it was on the alarm section. Then we have calculator, which is still present in the memory. Chrome, still available. Facebook, reloads on both the devices, I guess. Initially it was available, but later it reloaded the page. But on Nothing Phone 2, the entire application got reloaded. Then Instagram, still running in the background on Nord 3, but again refreshes the page on Nothing Phone 2. Twitter, still the same story. Every time Nothing Phone 2 reloads the page, but that's not the case on Nord 3. Google Play Store reloads on both the phones. YouTube reloads on both the phones. Amazon that also reloads on both the phones. Flipkart, that is still present in the memory. File manager, still present in the memory. Excel sheet, that reloads on both the phones. Filmora, still present in the memory. Subway Surfer, so again this game reloads on both the phones. Temple Run reloads again. Battlegrounds Mobile India, this game also reloads on both the phones. And at last, Genshin Impact, and that also reloads on both the phones. So I personally did not find much of difference in both these devices if you consider the costing of Nothing Phone 2, which is quite high compared to Nord 3. And Nord 3 was neck to neck in most of the scenarios, and it was way better in completing tasks like opening the Excel sheet, video importing and exporting, and even I found better in RAM management compared to Nothing Phone 2. But you guys let me know in the comment section below, what are your thoughts about the performance of Nothing Phone 2 with that of Nord 3? Let's see, according to you guys, which device seems to be better. So guys, this was the complete speed test between OnePlus Nord 3 with that of Nothing Phone 2. If you guys still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything